Hey guys, Mr. Lentz here. I'm just going to go over the stuff that we need to cover for this week. We are going to have kind of like an overall Chapter 7 assessment. So I'm going to post that on Schoology. I just need you guys to print that off and fill out the problems that are on there. You're going to have to use your old notes to get all the stuff done. But if you need help, please reach out. I'll help you on some of the problems or guide you if you need some support on those. So don't feel like you're in the dark and you're all by yourself on some of these problems. If you need help, let me know, okay? So we're gonna tackle that. You'll print that off and fill it out, upload it back to Schoology, and then on after that, we'll do adding, subtracting polynomials. That's real light, real easy. So you only have three things really. It's going to be do the assessment, adding and subtracting polynomials, the notes, and then just a quick Alex practice on adding and subtracting polynomials. So I know that the assessment is going to take a bit of time, so that's why I didn't do more than one section of notes this week. So only got one section of notes and the assessment, and that's it. And again, if you need help, please let me know, and I hope you guys have a good week. All right, bye.